Hey there, John with Joyland Roofing. What is K-gutter? What is half round, and how can you know the difference? So I have here a piece of K-gutter, but you'll see it has this profile, kind of a box profile on the back, and then this curved profile on the front. This is the easiest and best kind of gutter for in a residential situation. So it gets run off of a big roll of coil, and you can make these things in any lengths from 1 foot to 100 feet, all without seams. So K-gutter is a simple, easy system to install, very effective. It comes in a 5-inch wide and a 6-inch wide gutter. K-gutters have what's called a hidden hanger, and you can't see this from the ground, but this hidden hanger clips into the front side, clips onto the back, and then you drive this screw into the faceboard of the house, and that's what holds the K-gutter up. So it's a very effective, simple system, and definitely the most common. The second style is half round gutter, and you can see why it's called half round. It's literally half round, right? Half a circle. This is more popular in cases where you're looking for a historical look. It's a more classic kind of traditional look than the K-gutter. It is more expensive also, not only the product itself, but also installation. It takes quite a bit more time to install it because installation comes in a few different pieces. These pieces typically come in 20-foot sections, and then they get hung on your on the faceboard with this half circle. So you put the circle on the faceboard right like this, and then you hang this gutter in there and then clip it onto the front like this. So it comes in 2 or 3 different pieces that you have to install, as opposed to a simple one screw for the K-gutter. Regardless of whether you're doing K-gutter or half round, they're both highly effective, last a long time. But if it's a simple home, single family home, K-gutter is the way to go. If you're looking for a historic or a specialty look, maybe more of a half round look. So Joyland does do complete gutter service, repairs, downspouts, systems, and if you have any further questions on this or on what's right for your house, feel free to reach out to us.